Hi children, welcome to Vidyadi Tutorials. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Please watch the video till end without skipping for good explanation. Class 9 Unit 3 Reading B. Not just a teacher but a friend. The theme of this unit is school life. Now let's see the poem Not Just a Teacher but a Friend. This is the interface of the poem. Now let us start reading the poem. Before going into the poem, let's see the various vocabulary given in the textbook, that is the glossary part. The first meaning is trust. Trust means believe. See, if we believe someone, that means we are having trust in them. The other word for believe is trust. In Telugu, we call it as nammakamu. Telugulo trust ante nammakamu. Usage of this word: always trust yourself. That means always believe in yourself. ఎప్పుడు నీ పైన నువ్వు నమ్మకం ఉంచుకో. The second word is hide. Put or keep something in a place where it can't be seen. That means children, we all play hide and seek, isn't it? That means we hide somewhere, the place where the other friends can't see us. In the same way, hide means keeping something in a place where it can't be seen. That means it is not visible to others. In Telugu, we call it as dachi unchadam. The next word is fade. Something becoming paler or lesser bright. Something becoming paler or less bright. That means the color of my dress has been faded out. That means the color has been gone. That what happened to the dress? It has faded. That means it become light in color or less bright. So fade is used as a word where something becoming paler or less bright. Now let's go into the poem. Children, look into the poem carefully. Not just a teacher but a friend. I will read out the first paragraph for you. Observe and listen carefully. Try to understand the rhythm and the pronunciation in the poem. I had nowhere to turn, had nowhere to go. This is just something I think you need to know. I don't know what made me trust you. I still remember the day when I told you what I have been through. I thought I should run away, go hide in a hole. But then you really brought out my true soul. That means the child is saying that you are so special to me. I had nowhere to turn, had nowhere to go. This is just something you need to know. That means he is saying that his teacher is very special to him and he doesn't want to go anywhere. I don't know what made me trust you. I still, when I told you what I have been through. He is telling that you are so special to me and I believe in yourself. That means I trust you. I trust you. That means he is trusting his teacher. Trust means believe. So he is believing his teacher and he is saying that I remember the days when I am in school with you. When I am in school with you learning new things. I thought I should run away, go hide in a hole. You really brought out my true soul. He is telling that he don't want to go to school in a younger age. But his teacher made him to come to school, learn new things. So he is telling that I just want to go hide in a hole. But you made me to learn something. So he is telling to his teacher. See here, hide means put or keep something in a place where it can't be seen. So here the usage of the word hide is given here. I thought I should run away, go hide in a hole. As each day grew longer, our trust became stronger. Each time I wanted to cry, you stayed there right by my side. Look into the second paragraph. The first two lines. As each day grew longer, our trust became stronger. That means as the days are going on, the relation between the student and teacher is going stronger and stronger. That means he is believing and he is trusting his teacher and he is respecting his teacher a lot. Each time I wanted to cry, you stayed there right by my side. That means he is telling that the teacher supported the student a lot. Generally, we cry for some things when we are small. So he is telling that whenever he is getting tears in his eyes, his teacher is right by his side. How neatly the poet is explaining about the relationship between the teacher and a student. So that is why the name is given as not just a teacher but a friend. Here they are comparing teacher to a friend. Now look into the third stanza. Then I moved to the next grade. Boy, was I afraid that our trust would slowly fade. But I was wrong. We are still strong. Now this boy completed that class and he is promoting to the next grade. That means he is going into the next class. So he is very afraid. Don't know what happens in the next class. So he is missing his teacher a lot. Then what he is saying? That our trust would slowly fade. Fade means something becoming paler or less bright. So he is saying that the trust would slowly fade. That means the trust between the student and teacher may fade out. But I was wrong. We are still strong. Again he is only saying that this is wrong. We are still strong. So the relation between teacher and student is getting stronger day by day. Now let's look into the next paragraph. Even though sometimes you don't have time, you at least ask me if I am fine. Even though sometimes I am not, I feel like I have just been shot. I smile and say, yes, I am alright. Then I walk away and you are out of sight. I will just have to wait. I still have my fate. So, here the student telling about the teacher that even though sometimes you don't have time, you at least ask me if I am fine. That whenever his teacher is not having time also, his teacher asks him, how are you? That means he asks him whether he is fine or not. Even though sometimes I am not, I feel like I have just been shot. The student is saying that whenever he is not well, whenever he is sick, he says that he is feeling like I have been just shot. I smile and say, yes, I'm alright. So, Because of having a great teacher, he says that he is alright. He says himself that I am alright because of having a great support by his teacher. Then I walk away and you're out of sight. I will just have to wait. I still have my fate. So here he is missing his teacher a lot. When he is not near to him, when he is out of his sight, he has to wait till the fate tells him. Fate means Vidhi. Now look into the last stanza. I am so glad that you were there when I was sad. And this is what makes you not just my ninth grade teacher, my friend. So he is saying that I am so glad. That means he is so happy that you were there when I was sad. Whenever he is sad, his teacher is along with him. And this is what makes you not just my ninth grade teacher, my friend. That means he is telling that you are not only a teacher to me, you are not only a teacher of my ninth class, but you are a great friend of mine. So, this is a beautiful poem describing the relationship between teacher and a student. So, you all enjoyed the poem, children? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for latest videos and updates. Your Vidyadi Tutorials.